In this video, we're going to take a look at my Continuum Review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my Continuum Review. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi, and if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular offer. So the first thing I need you to do is to scroll down if you're watching this on YouTube and click the first link in the description. That's going to take you to my bonus page here. And as you can see, this launch starts Tuesday, September 29th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's going to end Saturday, October the 3rd at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is a 5-day launch. Okay, but what I need you to do is to scroll down and click on any one of these orange buttons that say Get Continuum Now on this bonus page, okay? So that's going to lock in my bonuses for you in the back end on Warrior Plus. I'm going to show you later on in this video how to find that. But first, let's talk about what Continuum actually is, and then we're going to jump into the sales page and go through all the other stuff as well. So Continuum is basically a software / training that's going to show you how to create webinars. Well, actually, it's done for you already. The webinars are in there. You just got to set everything up. But everyone knows that webinars is the killer thing to use when you want to sell your products these days. For the last couple of years now, everyone's been killing it using webinars. So this software is going to have everything in there for you. It's going to come loaded with 3 high-ticket webinars where you can make some big-time commissions like 500 per sale. So that's where the big money is, right? Instead of selling these little $5 or $10 or $17 products each, you can make some big commissions using this type of software. So inside the training, he's going to show you how to set everything up in there, and he's also going to show you some high ticket strategies for using traffic, okay? In other words, how to get good traffic in there to buy these high ticket offers. So what I want to show you on the sales page is a few things, just the main points. So let's go ahead and jump into that now. All right, so on the sales page, it says plug in this 99% done for you system that's making us $1,400 per day from the automated software, done for you offers, and push button traffic. So go ahead and check out this VSL sales video here. It's kind of funny on what's going to happen, so I'm not going to reveal that, but go ahead and watch it. But inside here, he's going to actually show you some earnings of what he is actually making to prove what this headline reads up here. So check it out, okay? So let's go ahead and scroll down right quick, and I want to show you a few things on the page that I think is important. Here's some screen earnings. Again, he's going to show you that live in the video. Go ahead and watch that video sales letter. There's also a demo video here on the inside of Continuum, so you can check that out as well. This is also on my bonus page. Okay, this is by Jono Armstrong. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down to the bottom here. Okay, it's 3 steps easy. So step 1, activate it. Step 2, you're going to flip the traffic switch. It's going to show you how to do some traffic inside the training. Step 3, earn, and step 4, scale it up. Okay, here's something important on the sales page that I want you to check out, because this shows you like the typical webinar software and how much they cost compared to what you're going to be getting here. Okay, this software is only going for, now this is only for when it launches. It might go up after the launch. Like I said, it's a 5-day launch, and my bonuses are only going to be good for the first 3 days. So if you want to get that, hurry up and grab that. But these compare for yourself features here shows you. Take a look for yourself. Easy webinars, $4.99 per year. Okay, you're going to be getting this Continuum for a one-time price right now for $17. You can't find that anywhere else. Okay, check this out. Go to webinar, $199 through $399 per month. Stealth seminar, $135 plus per month. And this one's going to be $17 right now for a one-time price. So go ahead and check out all these features right here. It shows you everything that's included with the little green check marks here. Okay, and since we're right here, the bonuses, let's go ahead and check that out. So bonus number 1 is access to Stealth Advanced Training. So this is some training that's going to show you how to use Gmail ads. Okay, so when people open up their Gmail to check their emails, there are going to be ads in there that they can click on. So you can use those ads as well to go back to your webinars. So it's really cool. Bonus number 2 is Get Tons of Tools by Access Gemini Pro. So this is included resale rights as well, so you can sell the software. What it is autoresponder software. So if you don't have that, or you don't have an autoresponder available, you'll be able to get that using this software here. All right. Bonus number 3 is get Jono's branding hacks. And bonus number 4 is access Eclipse. Now this one's only for the first 24 hours. So if you really want to pick this up, make sure you get that as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and here's your 60-day money back guarantee, guys. You have 60 days. And of course, if you have any questions, you can read the FAQs right here on the bottom of the page. So that's it for the sales page. So let's go ahead now and check out the members area and see what that looks like. Okay, so we're inside the membership for Continuum here. So go ahead and check out the welcome video as well. There's a button for some live training here. This is a webinar by Jono. So go ahead and click that if you want to sign up for that. So the second module in here is Continuum walkthrough in the software. So this is where you're going to access the software as well. So go ahead and watch the walkthrough video and he's going to talk about the software, show you all of that. And here you click on this to access the Continuum software, right? So that's how you get to that. And I'm going to show you how that looks in a moment here after we finish inside here. Okay, so the next module, module 3 is the setup module. So you're going to get your affiliate links in the first video here. You're going to set up the webinar. You're going to get some introduction to AdWords plus essential pixels, how to set all of that stuff up. Then he's going to show you how to create the thank you page and you're going to create the landing page. And then you're going to check the funnel to make sure everything is working. Okay, so setting up the thank you page and the landing page in here, you're going to be using a free web page builder called Groove Funnels, and it's going to have some links in here as well. But if you want to go ahead and sign up to that right now, I also have a link for you in the video description in YouTube. If you want, you can use my link. Go ahead, sign up. It's a free account, and then that'll be already taken care of. Whenever you buy the product and get into the members area, you won't have to worry about getting all of that set up. Okay, so it's going to be set up and you just go straight to it and start creating pages that you need to create, right? So either way, it's all up to you. If you want to use my link or use the link in here, that's fine by me. I'm just trying to give you a head start, right? So anyway, that's what you're going to be using for these pages, okay? It's going to be Groove pages or Groove funnels, kind of like ClickFunnels. All right, so that's that module here. Okay, so the next module is traffic training. So he's going to show you placements and keywords and Google AdWords here, and he's going to show you scaling and conclusions. So you may be thinking, well, okay, I want to do Google Ads, but I don't really have any money. Well, he's going to show you how to get a voucher, which you can buy for like 10 bucks and get $100 worth of ad spend that you can use inside your Google account. So don't worry about that, all right? So let's go on to the next one here. After you get through with that, like I said, you're going to learn how to scale, but there's more in the advanced training on how to scale up even more and some more advanced training as well. So if you want to pick up the upgrades, we're going to talk about that in a moment. But here's the bonuses here in this section, and you have your upgrades here. Just in case while going through the checkout process, you may decide that you don't want the upgrades at this time, but you may want to get them later. So they're always going to be in here, okay? All right, and here's your access, your special bonuses here. And this is the sales page bonuses you can get to right here. So that's pretty much the members area. So let's take a look at what the software looks like. Okay, so we're inside the software here for Continuum. So it may look a little bit busy, may not understand what the heck's going on, but he's going to show you everything inside the training, so don't worry about that. So you're going to come into settings in here pretty much, and you're going to set all of this stuff up first, right? You're going to set up your personal information, and you're going to set up your buttons, going to set up the videos. Well, the videos should be in here for you already. Okay, so in here, you're going to integrate your autoresponder. So he's going to show you in Get Response. That's what he's using right now. There's Aweber in here as well. ConverterKit, Active Campaign. So a lot of popular autoresponders that you can use in here if you're not using one. And I think there's a free trial for Get Response as well as Aweber right now. There's a free version going on for up to 500 leads that you can have for free. Okay, anything over that, it's going to cost, but you can get 500 for free in Aweber. And I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the description in here too if you want to try out that free Aweber account. Just like I said, 500 up to 500 leads you can have for free. So go ahead and check that out if you want to. I'll leave it in the description. And you're going to be setting up your email and SMTP in here. So he's going to show you all of that in the settings. I'm not going to go through all of that stuff. And then after you get all of those things set up, you're going to go ahead and create your auto webinar. So like I said, it may look a little bit complex in here, but it's really not. It's pretty simple and straightforward. So once you get into the members area and go through the training, you'll see how easy it is to set up. Okay. All right. So that's what it looks like inside the app, the software itself. So let's go ahead now and check out the upsells. All right, so the front end, of course, is Continuum, so that's for $17. So it's done for you, right? Some high ticket solutions in there, 3 of them pre-made, done for you, but it's also done with you, right? So you could do your own webinars in here if you want to. So pretty cool. Let's go ahead and check out upgrade number 1. Upgrade number 1 is Continuum Pro Edition. This is for $47. So this is going to include some advanced training by Jono, which is going to maximize your clicks and conversions in the shortest possible time. Now, this is also going to unlock some advanced functionality of the webinar software, and this is including unlimited attendees, right? So you can have as many people as you want in there, simulated chat assistant support, and full Zapier integration. Upgrade number 2 is Continuum done for you by 5, so you're going to get 5 extra pre-made webinars promoting top converting offers. So 5 more high ticket offers that you can add to your webinars. So this is $97 for this one. Upgrade number 3 is Ultimate Affiliate Bundle. So you're going to get access to all of Jono's 2020 products: Lockdown Formula, Insurgity, Gemini, JavaScript, Commission Bot, and Vanquish. This was all of his 2020 products. So you're going to get access to all of that. And you're also going to get 100 commissions through the entire funnel when you promote any of Jono's future products. So pretty cool with that. Okay, so this is $197 for this upgrade. Upgrade number 4 is multi-license rights to 4 top selling products. So this is for $197. So you're going to get reseller and developer rights to Insurgy, Gemini, JavaScript, Commission Bot, and Vanquish. So with the dual rights, you're going to essentially be getting your own turnkey digital business, and you don't have to create anything, right? All the funnels and everything's done for you. Okay, so that's it for the upsells. Let's go ahead now and have a look at my bonuses. Okay, so just remember, click on any one of these Get Continuum Now buttons to lock in your bonuses, and make sure there's time left on this timer so that you can lock those in inside of Warrior Plus. Okay, so let me scroll down to the bottom here. So bonus number 1, you're gonna get my email marketing for beginners. Okay, so I wanted to throw this in here because email marketing is important in this case, because you want to make sure that your members attend your webinars, right? Everybody that comes to the opt-in page and they opt in, you want to make sure that they attend your webinar. This is just going to show you a basic structure of how you should write email copy. Okay, so that's going to help you if you're a beginner at that. So bonus number 2 is List Building Profit Kit. So this is how to build a profitable and responsive email list. So this is going to help again with some more email marketing stuff. Bonus number 3 is the Spreading Goodwill System. So this is video training on a system that you can use to 10x your list building literally overnight. This is going to help you as well because you're going to be learning about email marketing and list building again. So all the things that you can learn about email marketing is going to help you with your webinars. Okay, so I threw that in there as well. And bonus number 4, of course, is the 4 vendor bonuses that were listed on the sales page. So to recap this, if you act right now, you guarantee to get these extra bonuses worth $589 of extra value when you order through my link today. So your next question might be, how do I find my bonuses, right? So let me show you right quick. So you scroll down a little further on this page, and you're going to see right here how to find your bonuses in Warrior Plus. So once you create your Warrior Plus account, if you don't have one, go ahead to warriorplus.com and create one. And then after you log in, you're going to see your name, click on the little drop down tab, choose purchase history. It's going to take you to step 2. It's going to be another page. Look for the Continuum link. Click on that. It's going to take you to step 3 where you can access your purchase right here. That'll take you to the members area, and click on the blue button to get my bonuses. And that's how you find my bonuses. Pretty easy peasy, right? So I hope this video helped you out. Go ahead and leave me some comments if it did. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. If you want to get notifications, make sure to click the notification bell so it'll notify you when I upload brand new videos just like this one. Now I have some free training in the description as well. Go ahead and check that out, and I'll show you how that looks right now on the screen. And there's also some advanced training in a webinar if you want to check that out as well. As you can see on the screen, that's what it looks like. That's going to wrap up my Continuum review. I hope that this video helps you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. Thanks for your time and interest. I'm Ronnie Rokksmith with USA Digi, and guys, happy marketing.